Hi, second graders. Yesterday you practiced subtraction with regrouping with 2-digit numbers. Today we are going to practice that with 3-digit numbers. So let's look at number 1 together on page 179. We're actually going to do the first few problems together and then you'll finish by yourself. So we have 134 minus 78. So let's look in the ones place first. 4 take away 8. We have more on the bottom. Hi, second graders. Yesterday you practiced subtraction with regrouping with 2-digit numbers. Today we're going to practice with 3-digit numbers. And we're actually going to do the first 3 problems together, and then you're going to be finishing on your own. So you should open your math book to page 179 and do this with me in your math book. Then later you'll come back and type your answers into the text boxes. Okay, so number 1, 134 minus 78. We always start in the ones place. So think 4 take away 8. We have more on the floor, so we need to go next door and get 10 more. So let's cross out the 3, make it a 2, so we're taking 1 away, and bring it into the ones place. So now instead of 4, we have 10 plus 4, which is 14. So we just ungrouped this 10 to get more ones. So we're going to put yes for this first answer. Did you ungroup a 10 to get more ones? Yes, we did. Now we can subtract. 14 take away 8. Think. Write it. Okay, let's check. 14 minus 8 is 6. 2 take away 7. We have more on the floor, so we're going to go next door. So we need to cross out the 1. So we have 0 hundreds left and bring that into the tens place. So now we have 12 take away 7. Think 12 minus 7 and write it. Okay, 5. So did you ungroup 100 to get more tens? Yes, we did. We took this 100 apart and brought it into the tens. So we can write yes. So our final answer is 56. Number 2, 134 minus 73. So always start in the ones place. 4 take away 3. Do we have more on the top or more on the floor? We have more on the floor, more on the top, so no need to stop. Think 4 minus 3, write it. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now let's go to the tens place. 3 take away 7. Do we have more on the top or more on the floor? We have more on the floor, so we're going to go next door. We're going to cross out the 1 in the hundreds place, make it a 0, and bring it into the tens place. So now instead of 3, we have 13. So now we can subtract. 13 take away 7. Think. Write it. If you said 6, you are correct. And then 0 minus nothing is 0, so we don't have to write anything there. So did you ungroup a 10 to get more ones? Did we have to take this 10 apart and bring it over to the ones place? No, we didn't, because 4 was bigger than 3. Did you ungroup 100 to get more tens? Yes, we did. We crossed out the 1, made it a 0, and brought it into the tens place. Okay, last one we're going to do together. 158 minus 37. So in the ones place, we have 8 take away 7. Do we have more on the top or more on the floor? We have more on the top, so no need to stop. What's 8 minus 7? Write it. Okay, 8 minus 7 is 1. Now go to the tens place. 5 take away 3. Do we have more on the top or more on the floor? We have more on the top, so no need to stop. 5 minus 3, write it. 2. And then go to the hundreds place. What's 1? Take away nothing. 1 minus 0 is 1. So our final answer is 121. So did you ungroup a 10 to get more ones? Nope, we didn't need to ungroup at all. So we can write no. Did you ungroup 100 to get more 10s? Nope, we didn't have to go ungroup our 100. So we can write no. Okay, now that we've done 3 together, you should be ready to go to finish by yourself. Thank you.